So in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an updated version really quick, showing you guys how I'm going from $0 and actually building an online business with money making applications. So now we're going to get started. I'm showing you that right now. So I started with $0. So if you come over here to my actual Gmail, I've been using Honeygain for this method and another website. So let me go search up Honeygain really quick so I can show you guys this is working. So let's go to dashboard really quick. So this is Honeygain, guys, and don't worry about this. I'm showing you how I actually made $20 from this application. It is really simple and easy way to make money and get started with an online business, and I'm about to show you everything in this video. So Honeygain is pretty much an application that runs passively on your mobile device and on your computers, and this is what I've been doing for a while, guys. So as you can see right here, I only have $1.52 inside of this account because I recently just withdrew my money a couple of days ago. So in order to actually withdraw, you're gonna need a minimum of $20, and in order for us to actually get Google Play Console, which is getting started by running your own application business, you're gonna need at least $25, which is a one-time registration fee right here, and you can see that right there, guys. So $25 USD one-time registration fee that you can pay with the following credit card or debit cards: MasterCard, Visa. Now this is really interesting, guys, because you need this in order to get started making money with applications. This is where it's going to be hosted, and we can actually send it to the Google Play Store. So now let's go back over here to this email now, and this is the email I've received whenever I actually withdrew my money, and you can see it right here. 3 days ago I've received $19.60. so I'm just going to round it up to $20, guys, just to make this video process go quicker. And I'm going to show you another website to make the other couple of bucks that I needed in order to actually make this possible, in order to purchase a Google Play Console account. So I actually use PackageStream as well, which is another passive way to earn money. Just the same thing as Honeygain, guys. They're pretty much the same exact thing, but PackageStream does take a while in order for you to actually earn any sort of income from it. So as you can see, my balance is at $7 right there, $6.93 to be exact. So I can easily just come over here and withdraw my money from this account. So let's just go ahead and withdraw this to my PayPal account. So I'm going to put in my PayPal email address right here, and then we can actually get this on its way over to my PayPal account so I can actually purchase the Google Play Console. So as you can see right there, your cash out request has been received. It's going to take a couple of days for me to actually receive my income from PackageStream. So that's going to bring it up to a total of, let's say, $25 right there. So this is already enough money to actually purchase the Google Play Console account. So once you actually signed up with this, guys, you're going to actually get led to a page just like this, and that is going to let me know, or let you know, that you actually did everything right. So the next step is actually purchasing a application, and I'm about to show you how you can actually purchase applications right now for a really cheap price. And I went ahead and already purchased an application, guys. All I am missing is the next final steps in order to actually let this be on the Google Play Store and promote it and start to make money from it. So this is the application right here, guys, that I'm actually going to start to test out myself. It says test your reflex. Now this is an application that I have found that is really cheap. I only paid around $10 for this application, guys, and I'm going to show you how you can actually start to make money from this in my next video, my final video, showing you how to start from zero and grow your way up to an online business making money with applications. So this is the website right here, guys. It is called Code Canyon, and I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you guys can get started with this and investigating on what type of application you want to start to run. Now there's different use purposes for different applications. What I mean is, like, you can actually buy an app and you have to put in some work inside of that app in order to make it work, or you can actually just buy like a game that's already created. You just have to reskin it, change the name, change the description, and then it's yours. So there's different use cases, there's different ways you can actually earn money with applications, guys. You just have to choose your own. Or if you want an app that's already created for you, just come over here to Flippa. This is another application that already has apps already created from developers, and people already made some money from these. Or you can actually come inside of Flippa and have applications that have recently just been created, and they're just developers trying to sell it so they can build more apps and earn some money from doing so. I always like to come over here to the ending soon tab, just because you can see what is ending soon, and you can try to put in a bid on a really cheap application but a really nice app itself. So this one's already going for $600, and this one looked really interesting to me, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose something that is really cheap. But I already purchased one from Code Canyon, Canyon. So I'm just going to show you some of these applications inside of here if you're interested in actually getting started with this method. So if you want to start to use Flippa, guys, just come over here, check out the applications. You can click on this button right here to check it out inside the Google Play Store. And the reason this looks really interesting to me is because it's something that I have not seen really yet on the Google Play Store. I personally do not play a lot of games, but this one just looks kind of interesting to me that I think a lot of people would actually enjoy playing, because it's like a puzzle game in a way, and you can actually see some statistics once you have actually logged into your account, and you can see how the app is doing, how much revenue it is. And most of the time, guys, I would not actually go based off of the information they provide, because they can actually buy a lot of traffic really quick in order to actually boost up their statistics, and then take a picture and then send it over to Flippa, and then it looks like the app is doing amazing. But most of the times the app is not really doing that well. You have to personally invest some money in marketing in order to get that app up and running and making you some income. So this is really cool tactics or strategies that you can use right now to look for applications, to see which one is going to fit your needs, to see what's interesting to you. Like, let's translate. This one seems really interesting. Lazy Kick, it looks like something that's been around for quite some time. Movie Quiz, I would not do myself. Match, look for something that you might want to play. So now let's go over here to Code Canyon, guys. It's like an application that has been created, but all you have to do is just keep reskinning apps. So they have, one app has been made. Now you pay them just to have the application, and you have to reskin it, guys. That is just part of the deal with Code Canyon applications. And they have games, they have quizzes, they have chats, videos, games, WordPress, wallpaper, chats, WooCommerce, delivery, e-commerce, dating, food, radio, restaurants. So you can choose. And I personally like games because a lot of people like to play games, guys, and if it's addicting, they will keep on playing that game over and over and over again. So you can see all of these applications right here. Some of them are really cheap, some of them are kind of expensive, and you can see right here it says coloring game, easy to rescan, ready to publish, includes layered PNG. So you can see that right there, guys. Unity game template, hero rescue. So just keep scrolling down to see something that looks really attractive to you, something that you might even want to play, like Math Genius, best educational game. That looks really interesting, guys, because people are not really at school. I would say most of the times people are like at our home, and their parents, let's say their parents might want them to actually use the application to learn and start to understand math. So this is a really interesting application. It says 3 premium game bundles, so you can get a bundle of 3 games for only $40 right there, guys. They even have an online poker multiplayer game right there. They have a block tower, which is this one, and you can actually just see what is interesting to you. Like, this one has been around, seen a lot of times already, so I would not recommend you guys buying this. It already has 163 sales, so look for something that seems kind of like new. See, look for something that looks kind of like rare in a way, something that not a lot of people have actually used over and over and over again, just changing the different colors, textures, and different objects inside of the game. Find something. There is always something in order for you to buy. Like, this one is something that looked really interesting to me. So look how interesting it looks inside of the game. So let's go to video shots or pictures, and you can see it's like an actual jumping game, like the Impossible Cube or something. So this is a really interesting one. I was thinking about buying, but I just went ahead and bought something even cheaper just so I can get you guys started with this method. So I'm not really going to show you the application I have bought right now, just because I want you guys to find your own. I don't want everybody buying the same application that I have bought, which mine was only $10, and it's in one of these categories, guys. It's in one of these applications on Code Canyon. All I'm doing is reskinning the app at the moment, and then after I reskin it, I'm going to pay somebody on Fiverr to actually do SEO for me. So let me show you that right now. So if you're looking for somebody to do ASO for your application, which is pretty much SEO for apps, so you can rank on the Google Play Store, I would highly recommend you guys looking at this person right here. He has done all of my applications for me. It's only $15, and the way I would actually use them is try them out once, see how your statistics on the application is doing inside of the Google Play Store. And in order to check that out, go to App Annie. So go inside of App Annie and then check out, log in, and then type in your name in the search bar, and you can see the analytics from the Google Play Store about your application and where it's ranking for certain keywords. And then as you see it go all the way up to like level 1 or the first search results, whenever somebody types in like Cube Breaker, some weird name, whatever the app is that you're gonna buy, If you see that app going all the way up to the top of the ranks of the Google Play Store, then stop paying him once a month or 2 times a month or once every 2 months. Whatever you choose, whatever you feel comfortable with, guys, because this is your business. You need to try to rank it up as high as possible on the Google Play Store in order to get free installs, free downloads, and then free income. So that is the goal of applications, ASO. And then you can also start to play with marketing. So look for somebody that can actually do like thumbnails, pictures, advertisements, app advertisements. So if you just type in like app video, you're gonna get pictures, videos, and cool like little thumbnails or type of thing. So let's type in app promo to see what pops up, guys. You can actually pay somebody to do like an app promo for your application to make it look really more attractive. So if we just click on play right here, you can see it happening right there, guys. So let me mute the volume down real quick so you can get something just like this on your actual application to make it look really attractive so people can want to actually download the application and play it. So that is going to be it for this actual video, and then the next video about actually starting your business from zero all the way to earning some passive income with money making applications. It's going to be the final one. I'm going to show you my application once it's finished and how I'm going to start to market it, and also what I have done in order to actually make it successful. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.